Sorting is still one of the fundamental concepts in computing. With the advent of generative AI, sorting is all more than important. Online sorting algorithms run trillions of times a day to organize lists according to users' interest. In this research, which has been done by Daniel and his colleagues at Google, they have developed AlphaDev. AlphaDev is a system that learned to generate algorithms that sort 3 to 5 numbers faster than previous state-of-the-art methods. Accelerating such algorithms can expedite the sorting of lists of any size. The use cases could be any if you are looking to implement sorting in the today's generative AI world. Those use cases could include search engines, commerce sites, and a lot of other generative AI models. Now, fundamental algorithms such as sorting or hashing are used trillions of times on any given day. Demand for computing is growing leaps and bounds, and it has become critical for these algorithms, and I mean sorting algorithms, to be as performant as possible. Most programmers implement sorting algorithms in a high level programming language like C++, which a compiler translates into assembly language instructions that control the processor and the memory. Now, during this translation, a reinforcement agent from generative AI can learn to select the sequence of assembly instructions that are the fastest and speed up the sorting. So, AlphaDev is primarily a collection of neural networks that learn jointly via this reinforcement learning. So, the way it works is that first the system of this AlphaDev is initialized by giving it a sequence of unsorted numbers and an empty list of assembly instructions. It built algorithms by adding assembly instructions one by one, and then it earned rewards for choosing instructions that sorted the number correctly and quickly. So with each new instruction selected, a transformer computed an embedding of the instruction, and a vanilla neural network computed an embedding of the order of the number after applying those instructions. Then, given the embedding, two vanilla neural network selected instructions. The first neural network predicted the total future reward, and the second one calculated or predicted the reward after adding each possible instruction. Then the system searched through possible sequence of instruction to find which instruction most often led to the highest predicted reward. And then once the system has been built, the researchers of this AlphaDev uploaded the main C++ library, which hasn't even been updated in over a decade. So this resulting algorithm now serve as open source subroutine in C++ default sorting algorithms. So this is very important because the training method and architecture of game playing models like AlphaZero to solve real world problems can use it to speed up the inference. I'll drop the link to this repo in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.